Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. It's Babul here from the Bengali Cook. Guys, I've got an amazing recipe for you. Here's all the ingredients that you need. So I'm going to make a chicken vindaloo, but stay tuned. So it's going to be a Spud Chicken Vindaloo. I'm giving it away. However, anyway, I'm not going to edit it, so I'm just going to go on with it. So this is exactly what we're going to need. I've got some chicken mince here, so you can use pre-cooked chicken. I've got some chicken mince here, so I made some for the family. I'm like, right, I need it to be a bit hot, so I thought, right, I'm going to do a chicken vindaloo. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. But yeah, if you're new here, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share button, like, comment, let us know what recipes you're enjoying, and so forth. And I completely appreciate you guys supporting the channel. So thank you so much. Without further ado, guys, let's crack on with the recipe. Let's do it. Right, so we're going to get cracking on, guys. I've got the pan on heat, so let's go. So we're going to make a chicken vindaloo using minced chicken. So the minced chicken that I've made, guys, it's 260 grams in here that I'm using. This is pre-cooked. As I've said, I made this into like a boona type, not as spicy, so the whole family can enjoy it. I'm like, no, do you know what? I need something a bit more spicy tonight. So this is exactly why I'm making a chicken vindaloo for you. So that's the recipe. Right, there we go. So oil, get that in. That will do. If you're new here, guys, hit that subscribe button, share button, comment, and share on your socials. That'll be amazing. So I've got these spices. I made some. So my curry Indian restaurant style mix powder. So I made a small batch here. So I'm going to use that. So I've got some chili powder that I'll be using. Got some tomato puree. Got here a bit of lemon juice. And as you know, I like my garlic, so I'm going to use garlic. So in the restaurants, we use ginger and garlic paste. But because I like garlic, so I'm going to use. I've got about 3 to 4 cloves here. I'm going to use. Make sure it's recording. It is. So I'm going to put some little leaves here just for a second. Excuse me. That's about 2 teaspoons, sorry, 2 tablespoons. There we go. Right, this is pretty much our chicken vindaloo ready. I'm just going to squeeze in some lemon juice. Open your garden doors and whatever, guys. It's going to be. Right, here we go. Get the chicken mince in here. If you have got pre-cooked chicken breast in with the normal ones, you can use that. There we go. Let this cook now, a few minutes. Let me see if I can zoom in for you. There we go. Perfect. If you want to add some green chili, add them. If you want to add some coriander, add them. I've run out of coriander. And to be fair, I didn't realise I was going to do this video tonight until this evening. What I find a tip, this towel, it's lukewarm with water, so I've soaked in water, and then to cook, to clean as well, it's just easier. You may not have tried a chicken mince. If your Indian restaurants do that, you can try. If not, guys, exactly, this is how you can cook this at home. But the base gravy is going to be thick, purely because I've heated this up. Because the base gravy is a little bit too thick, I'm just going to add a tiny bit of water in there. So the chicken vindaloo, I was going to be chicken mince vindaloo, comes, generally it's quite saucy, so I'm going to not make it as too saucy. I'm going to make it slightly bhuna type, because that's how I prefer my dishes. Appreciate that colour, absolutely amazing. And again, what you can do now, you can scoop oil. So I'm going to leave it for a bit longer. And that is our minced chicken vindaloo done. Just get this here. That's all done. If you want to add a tiny bit of salt in there, you can do, but don't forget, everything's already got salt in there. Right, done. Oh dear. Do you know what? It's a chicken vindaloo, right? So what's the main ingredients I haven't put in there? Potato, right? Don't fear, guys. This is exactly what we're going to do. Got roast potato, chopped. So now this becomes our Spud Chicken Vindaloo, right? There it is, check it out. That's what I'm gonna have for my tea tonight. Let's get this on. There we go. That's exactly what I'm doing, guys. That's exactly what I'm having tonight. There we go. Add some cheese on the top. Happy days. Hopefully this is giving you guys some inspiration. I didn't fancy having any rice or anything today, so I'm just gonna have it as this. But yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share, like, comment, and here it is. Let's just see, get the camera back. There we go. That's better. Fantastic, guys. Much love, and hopefully have a nice festive season if I don't do another video before then. Enjoy the recipes and look forward to seeing you on the next one. All the best.